Ever wondered why some traders consistently profit while others struggle? Today, I'm revealing the secret that most traders miss. Hi, I'm intraday trader and investor with over 4 years of intraday trading experience. I've seen it all. From the highs of big wins to the lows of frustrating losses. But there's one key element that turned it all around for me. Here are 3 techniques that helped me achieve emotional balance and improve my trading outcomes. Strict rules. You need to make your own strict rules, but if you need my dark strict rules, that is a game changer, comment down. Meditation. Meditation is extremely powerful if you do 10 minutes every day. Then you have patience. Trading journal. Make a trading journal and wrote down every day your trading emotion and why you take that trade. If you need trading dark secret that hide by the operators, then comment down below, then I make a video on it.